Hey, it's John Riley. I'm milling this Florida slash pine log with this 500i 28-inch bar. I found a ripping chain that I made a long ass time ago. It's actually square filed ripping chain. So we'll see how it works. It's at Oregon, and I put the level on both sides. It looks pretty decent. You can see where the bubble is, and I leveled the side as close as I could get. And these cut up pieces make excellent wedges. I mean, they're perfect. So I got 2 and 2. I'll see how we go. I just hope I've got this figured out with these screws going in here as far as being able to get through here without hitting it. This is death to a chain, as everybody well knows who has ever milled wood. Got to be super careful with that shit. All right. Oh, I need a long sleeve. This stuff will stick to you like freaking glue. The shavings are like pure pitch, and if you're furry, you're done. It sticks anywhere you got hair in your body, man. It'll stick to you like epoxy. So better off wearing a long sleeve, long pants. It's not dry, dusty wood. It's gummy ass wood. Cover up, cover your eyes, cover your ears. See what we got. Hopefully I'm not going to make a fool of myself and hit a freaking screw. something. There must have been a piece of metal in there that I hit. I got my Elton John glasses on. I felt it hit it. It just started slowing down. Didn't kill it, but I can touch that chain up really quick. So whatever it was, I got past it. So I just need to pull these two up, maybe put shorter screws in or something, and just finish this cut. So that's that. I'll just kill the video now. But that 500i mill is beautiful, man. It's a pretty stout piece of wood. I don't know how much bigger of a piece of wood I'd go with it, but I think for what this is just a modified to death small mini mill that I made bigger, and I gusseted it up and everything. So it's pretty badass. I added this handlebar to it and all that shit, and definitely made it longer, because the shorter ones, they don't ever want to cover the whole ladder. They keep like running off the edge and tipping down on you. So this is definitely a better mini mill. And what I like about it is you could slide it out sideways like I just did, and it makes it a whole lot easier for doing these smaller cuts. That's it. Thanks for watching.